Hello Libra, this is Bonnie from SoulStarBliss.com with your December mini tarot reading. I'd like to take a moment and wish you all a happy holiday from my house to yours, and also let you know that I've had numerous requests to continue with the money and love reading, so I will be getting those out for sure in January. It'll be a great way to start the year out along with our regular readings. But I've also had a lot of requests from some of my students about Healing Gems, so I'm going to be releasing a video and I hope you'll take a look at it. It'll be in January or February regarding introduction to Healing Gems. So let's get started and see what's coming up in December for all of our Libra friends. Let's take a shuffle. Whoa. Oh my goodness. It says a lot of you are going to be busy, so get ready. Please remember this is a general reading. If you'd like a private one just about you, please stop by my website and book a session and we'll get to it as quickly as we can. And also, I keep forgetting to mention this and I get emails about it all the time, is check your moon sign and your rising sign, because a lot of times they will connect with you, okay? So let's take a look. Oh, it says victory is going to be yours. It says whatever you're doing now, it'll continue through springtime in a good way. And again, that's not everybody, but I feel some of you have had a turnaround of some kind, whether it be at home, work, or possibly a combo of two. Wheel of Fortune is yours. Don't let anyone steal this away from you, whether it's a feeling or an actual, things have gotten better. It says preparedness in reverse. I'm looking at relationships, and those of you that are in a relationship, it looks like you may be finding ways to improve that also. So whatever's going on with you, it's going to expand outward. If it's just, you know, something good like this has happened at work, it's going to, if you bring that home with you, this feeling, not the work, just the feeling, it could certainly expand into the family. It says some of you are feeling like you're guided, and I believe that you are right now. It says be careful not to get so involved in work that you miss the holiday, okay? You're going to be with a lot of family, and a lot of you are going to be with family and friends, and it's a time to be jovial, not be working at that time. It says you're stronger than you realize. What you pray for, what you ask for, you're going to get. There's going to be gaiety in the midst of change for a lot of you, but things are going to be coming your way. The hard work that you put in previous in family and work, so some will be family, some will be work, that's going to pay off for you. What you've learned, you're going to put into practice. Joy is coming. I have the Sun card. I have also the Sweet Victory card. I have the Seven of Wands, which tells me that there's more joy going to be because of things that you've worked on that have like connected with family or connected with work. I wish I could separate it. You know, like here's the work people and here's the family people, but some of you, it is both of them. So pay attention to how you feel and see what's going on. There is going to be a celebration. There's going to be a reason to celebrate. Definitely time to make plans for the future. It says messages are important too, so make sure you check your messages. You have 3 aces in this spread, which is awesome. The Ace of Cups says when your mind is filled with spirit, it fills your body to overflowing. What you think about, you become. You get that, Libra. This is really very good for you. It says there's going to be a continued change for the better. Don't stop. Don't stop what you're doing. I'm not saying that you weren't perfect before. I'm just saying some minor and major changes that have been made with some of you. You're going to see the benefits of those. No more will there be a feeling of being alone even when you're in a crowd of people. It says some of you, yes, you had great disappointment to deal with, or the loss of somebody, or whether it be partner or sickness or however it was. This is going to, there's going to be a healing process started in this area. It's already started. So go with it. Claim it. Take it for yourself. It says nobody can take this from you unless you give it to them. It says the sadness from the past, don't just keep shoving it down. See if the best you can is if you can deal with it, and say a lot of prayers for yourself. It says put yourself first. Some of you have been doing that and are seeing the benefits of that. Doesn't matter what's gone, matters what's left here. There's changes in more ways than work or home for some of you. It's almost as if your way of thinking has changed. You looked at something different and it looks different. You know, when we look at a problem, sometimes if we look at it different, it changes things. We can step back and see how we could improve things. It says abundance is a possibility, but those of you that are wishing for children, it says there could be some pregnancies in this area too. A lot of daydreams, wants, and wishes for you. Make those all a priority. You know, you can't go back to yesterday and change it, so get busy today with what you want to do. says apprenticeship is over. It's time for the real work to begin, and a lot of you have been doing a lot of work, so let's go with the flow and take advantage of that. There's the changes that you have made, some of you, they're going to continue and they're going to go forward, and this is going to make things a lot easier for you, my Libra friends. So this is Bonnie from Soul Star Bliss. I so appreciate you stopping by. I'd like to say happy holidays again to you. And you know what, Libra, we're going to see you next year.